you a cap. Get you a cap.
Is that all I do?
That's all you do. Now don't pull that trigger. Make sure it's pointed at the target over there.
How do I pull the trigger?
Reach up there and pull it. The front one.
Which one?
The front trigger.
Oh, okay.
Hold
It didn't go
on. That's crap. I don't know what's wrong with it.
That was nice.
If it just happened the first time.
It did kick a little.
It kicks a little bit.
Kicks a little.
I've got 90 grains on. You're shooting 90 grains of black powder, or smokeless black powder. Okay. That's all.